www.rtsd.org, the district's traditional website on your right, has been reconfigured to allow for quick and easy to locate access to information regarding back-to-school topics, the school year in general, and pandemic resources at the click of a button. Starting with the back-to-school webpage, this webpage is a one-stop shop for all information regarding the start of the school year. And we encourage parents to check it out to learn more about how to update their contact information, welcoming messages from our principals, and other information to help with the start of school. We also encourage families to check out the Radnor in 2021 section, where easy links to our health and safety plan, our learning phases, and how we are COVID ready can be found. Lastly, under pandemic resources, more long-term resources regarding COVID-19 are available. The first link under Radnor 2020-2021 will take you to the new mobile-friendly version of the 2021 website on your left, which has been created specifically to provide information regarding this unique school year. Underneath the drop-downs on the left-hand side is information concerning the learning phases and what these phases look like in practice visually. Under COVID-19 Ready, the metrics in our area, which can be accessed via this data dashboard, where the cumulative incidence rate per 100,000 and the percent positivity rates, both in table format and through line graphs. Our health and safety plan has been created in a way that allows for drop-downs per topic area to again promote ease of reading, ease of access, and understanding. Same applies for the athletic health and safety plan. Drop-downs provide for easy to read and understand descriptions of the topic at hand. Staff, students, and visitors are asked to complete a self-screening checklist before entering the buildings each day, which are located under this section. Lastly, under COVID-19 Ready is the Safety and Guiding Principles section, where the 4 guiding principles in our health and safety plan of screening, hygiene, masking, and distancing are listed, along with supporting information. We also here, as we do in the Back to School section, have schedules broken down by grade, as well as at the secondary level. Special education has a section as well, which will continually be updated. And in this current fully virtual start, our technology and access section has extensive support for parents and students that might be having hardware and device issues, including a call line, as well as home access center and Schoology support. The ongoing updates page will continually be updated per week with relevant information. Lastly, under Informational Resources and then Informational Videos, there are several videos here created with the help of our school nurses to go over best practices taken from our health and safety plan on masking, distancing, and hand washing. There's also a video regarding safety practices on the bus, and a preview video of our fully virtual learning program. So whether you are visiting the traditional Radnor webpage or our new mobile site, we hope that you will continue to check in to receive information on this one-of-a-kind year, and we will continue to add information as it is developed and is available. If you have any suggestions, feel free to email us at radnor@rtsd.org. Thank you.